The Tripura Pradesh Congress Committee staged Raj Bhavan Abhiyan as part of the nationwide protest against alleged corruption involving business tycoon Gautam Adani. The central government's failure to address the ethnic crisis in Manipur and the deteriorating situation in Bangladesh. Well, the protest began from the Agartala Press Club and proceeded towards Raj Bhavan but was intercepted by police and security forces at the Circuit House area, leading to a minor scuffle between police and Congress workers. Senior leaders including Congress MLA Sudeep Roy Burman and State President Ashish Kumar Saha led the protests. The Tripura Congress reiterated its demand for immediate steps to resolve the Manipur crisis, fair investigations into the Adani allegations and a responsible approach towards India's relations with Bangladesh.
The diversionary tactics to suppress other major issues. For that you have to amend the constitution. For amending the constitution, you require 3/4 of the strength, which the BJP and its allies does not have. So ये introduction हुआ है, फिर अभी JPC में गया है, चर्चा होगा, फिर आएगा कैबिनेट होकर, फिर पार्लियामेंट में आएगा, चर्चा होगा, फिर वोटिंग होगा. वोटिंग सरकार के पास तो वो आंकड़ा नहीं है. They do not have the number. If you want to change the constitution, you should be enjoying the support of 2/3 of the majority. तो इसका लाने का मतलब ये है कि ताकि बाकी इशू सप्रेस हो जाए, जो आम जनसाधारण से जुड़े हुए वो सब मुद्दे चर्चा में ना आए, टेलीविज़न को एक खुराक सा मिल जाए ताकि वो उस पर बहस हो, और बाकी जो अदानी का इशू हो, मणिपुर का इशू हो, इन्फ्लेशन का इशू हो, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का इशू, वो सब दब जाए.